Wait, isn't that what the intro's in?
Hassan.
What's after?
And xQc. Roll the video.
Streamer of the Year. Hassan Piker.
I've done more debates than you. I'm better at debates than you. I'm better at debates than most of the other people that you compare me to. People saw you on the telly. On the
guys,
telly.
Guys, there was blue crayons, white ones, purple ones, orange. They had red crayon. Dude, brother, red. You just gotta eat those. You chat. Red crayon? Are you kidding me?
Oh no, they saw me on the.
It's like the fucking. It's like the red motherfucking Starburst.